Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever since I've been here on YouTube, but I am back and I've done a Lashy Box unboxing before, like 2 years ago I think, but it was the simple tiny box. But today I did the premium, so you guys are gonna see what's in the June premium Lashy Box. Honestly, like looking at it, I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger. Like the pictured like a big ass box, but this is what I got. And so yeah, let's jump right into it. So this box retails at $24.99. This is the extra large box. If you guys like this video a lot, I can do another one where I compare a normal, I think it's like $10 box with a $25 box, which is the most expensive on their site right now. So if you guys want to see that, just comment down below and I'll for sure do that. So here, so you guys can get the first look. Lashes galore. Okay, these are cute. Okay, I see a Lashy Box. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one first. So this is lashes by Flaunt Beauty. These are so pretty. So they're premium faux, right? Faux. Mink lashes, vegan and cruelty free, which is super cool. And their Insta is at Shop Flaunt Beauty if you guys want to look them up. But these lashes are gorgeous. I can for sure see myself wearing these, so these are a yes. I was kind of scared because I do wear big lashes, but they're not like you know. But so far so good. I can for sure use these on a daily basis. The next one, this packaging is so cute. Look at this. So these are the Fox Minx 3D lashes by Rude. So yeah, that's their name, Rude Cosmetics. And then they have like directions in the back. These are super cool and they're really pretty too, so I can for sure wear these every day. They're not, you know, huge, but they're so pretty. And then, so these are by Lashy Box and they even give you a little tiny glue. So Lashy Box does make their own lashes. So I have 3 pairs by them. So these are super cute, super colorful. I don't know where I would wear these to though, but maybe for a fun, colorful video I can use these for, but they're definitely really pretty, super full, and they're not too like thick and big. They're really pretty. So this is in the style Blueberry and they are 3D silk lashes. So the next one I have Gemini. These are really pretty. I really like these ones. Not too big. And then, woo, look at these big mamas right here. See, this is the big I was talking about. Still super cute. Maybe for like an event or something for sure. But these are called Summer. They're massive, but they're still pretty. They're different. Here's like the little ones compared to Summer.
And
like there's a huge difference, but they're still super pretty. Ooh, we got an eyeshadow. We got 2 eyeshadow palettes. Girl. So this is by Oakland. This is Mysterious number 2. I don't know how to pronounce that brand name. So this is a highlight blush bronzing veil face powder palette. Sorry, I can't talk today. Let's see how she looks like. Okay, I really like these colors. I can for sure work with these. I really like this blush. That's like my go-to blush color. Let me take off this film. Can I? It's like stuck the house down boots. Okay, so here's the colors so you guys can really see them. They're so pretty. I love it. And then there's this palette. It's called Indica. Ooh, girl. Got the marijuana plant on it, sis. Yes. So this is by Flaunt Beauty, so the same brand as these lashes. Super cool. I've never heard of these brands before, but you can get to try out new things. So this is Indica 6-color eyeshadow palette infused with cannabis sativa seed extract. Girl, that sounds cool. Let's open her up. This is what we get. It's super small, but I mean, it's good for traveling. Oh, this is cute. Oh. It's super cute. I know these came in, I think, like the full lash box. So there's like the tiny Lashy Box, and then there's like the full one, like a little bit bigger. And I think this one had, or this one was in that one, because I think the $9.99 is just like 3 pairs of lashes, and then the little bit bigger one has like some makeup in it, and I know for sure this was in it. Last product. Oh, this is so cute. Illuminati. It's by Illuminati. Bro, you can cut someone hard. I was gonna pretend like I cut myself, but so this morning I was cutting my bagel in half. Cheese bagel from Costco, so good, and I cut myself. Okay, anyways, so this is Illuminati Liquid Luxe Lip Gloss. I hope it smells good. Ooh, it does smell good. Kind of smells like frosting. Super cute, and look at this packaging. Kind of gives me like Jeffree Star vibes, you know? They're coming for you, Jeffree. But how cute is this? I can for sure like pop it on over by itself. And should I swatch it? Let's swatch it. Oh yeah. That's really, ooh, girl! Look at this. That is so cute. Okay, so a fun idea I thought I would do is look at all these prices, add them up, and see how much it is to buy these individually. So I'll be right back with the prices. Alright guys, so I'm back. I looked up all their prices and found them. Okay, so let's start with Indica. So this palette is worth $29.99. So you already get your money's worth with this little palette. Their lashes retail for $14.99. Okay, so we already have our money's worth a long time ago. So now Lashy Box, their lashes range from $9 to $12. Okay, so this Illuminati lip gloss retails for $21. And then these Rude lashes are $4. And then the Oaklin face palette is $12. So total comes out to $109. So all the products in this box are worth a grand total of $109, and you only pay $24.99 for it, which is a total steal. I know like some of the products like I've never heard of, but still, like, you get to try out new things. And then I got 5 new pairs of lashes, and usually some lashes are expensive, and I know Lashy Box has really good quality in their lashes, so I'm excited to try these. And yeah, alright guys, so that was everything that was in this month's premium Lashy Box. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming it and opening up all these fun goodies. I can't wait to try them. And if you guys like this video and want to see the big premium box compared to the normal little one or any of the other boxes, just let me know, comment down below, and I'll for sure get to that. They also have a soft glam, a full glam box too, so I can test those out for you too. But thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun, and I'll be back with more videos soon. Thanks guys, bye!